Good morning. So this is a 2021 MONTRACON Slider Flex. Oh, this is used for like steel carriers, etc, etc. XL headboard in the front, sliding canopy body, everything inside is all stainless steel, all the runners, all the locks, etc. Trailer is immaculate, the man has hardly ever used it. So you can see by all of paintwork is absolutely spotless. I haven't even washed this trailer as yet. Curtain itself is very tidy, no leaks in the roof or anything like that. All on Goodyear tyres, BPW drum brakes, long steel carrying pin posts on there. Again, you can see step ladder to go back, handle, good floor, slightly tied in to the floor as well. Small post to the back. Locking canopy can obviously go to the front or to the back. Roll up rear sheet. Possibly going to that side. As I say, full set of Goodyear tyres all round. It is a very, very rare bit of kit, this is. I haven't actually seen one of these for sale for a long time, especially one in this condition. It's very tiny. I think I said to me I've only used a handful of times. More videos will be on their website www.gbtsales.co.uk. Cheers.